Yeah, well, good day everyone. Finally, welcome back to Waz's workshop. So I'm doing a bit of maintenance on the lawnmowers. Bought a new oil removal kit, Briggs & Stratton, as per this one. Never used one before, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. I'm not into tipping lawnmowers upside down to get the oil out, so I thought I'd give this a bit of a go, and yeah, pretty happy. The Talon would have to be at least 14 years old. I've never changed the oil in it, never, and it was pretty black. The Victa, which has got a Briggs & Stratton motor in, that's only a couple of years old, and I was a little bit disappointed because that was pretty black as well, so I didn't think that would be like that. But look, anyway, look, I put the oil in it, as you'll see. I didn't have any 30 weight oil, I've only got 1540 automotive oil, but it's Castrol GDX, so it should be okay. That's what I put in the Victa when I first got it anyway, so you know, it's oil, so it should be fine. So I don't know about the audio. I won't know until I start editing what the audio is like, because I didn't have a mic. I just ran off the external mic on the mic in the GoPro, and our wonderful neighbour over the road decided he wanted to play some music, let's say that. So I may have to turn the sound off because it'll go against any copyright and so forth. He likes everyone to hear his music when he plays it, whether you want to listen to it or not, that's what he does. But anyway, there you go. So stick around, have a look at that, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you soon on Waz's workshop. Bye for now. Alrighty, so we've got a leaky Carby, or as I was reminded on a comment on one of the other videos, it's a Carburetor. Here in Australia it's a Carby. Got a bit of a leak in there, so just going to pull it apart. I'm guessing it's an O-ring, which I don't have, but we'll have a look-see. So on the old Talon I've got a screw, 2 clips, wire, filter, and what have we got here? That's 8mm, 10mm. Alright, to get at this properly I'm going to have to take the top off. It's 13mm. Now this is leaking, but I have no idea where, so we'll pull this apart. Maybe the float's sticking or something, so bear with me. Alrighty, so I'm just going to clean this out a bit. It's not leaking out of there, but it's a bit cruddy. We shall give it a clean. As Jack Nicholson said, that's as good as it gets. Let's put this shocker back on. Always put this one on first, so you can get it lined up. Excuse my head. Yeah, look, I'm going to change the oil in this. It's full, which is there, but I'm going to drain it and add some new in, because I think this has been in here for about 12 years. There we go. When you work on these things, lawnmowers, you really should take your spark plug either out or just the cable off. I haven't done that because I had the pull starter off. And there's no way I was going to be and spin that enough to fire it up. So, plus the fuel's off. Fuel wasn't connected, so it wasn't going to start. But you know, everyone says safety first. Remove your spark plug lead. Alright, while I'm working on this, I'm going to give it an oil change. As I said, I've had this thing for, look, God knows, I've been here 3, 4, 5 at the other place, 6, it's 11 years, 12, 13, it's probably 15 years old, this lawnmower. I've never changed the oil. I've never changed the spark plug, but I'll pull that out today and see how that is. The only thing I've done is change the lawnmower blades, so, and work on the fuel line. This was sitting for 6 years in the shed, untouched, but we got to fire back up again, and the fuel in the Carby was crap, which could be part of the reason why we have issues now, but I have been using it on a regular basis for the last 3, so yeah, who knows. I think it's just getting old. So, bought this little fella, oil removal kit, never used one before. We're going to pull the oil out of here. I don't have any 30 weight oil, which I think you're supposed to put in. I've just got ordinary engine oil, car oil. I'm going to work that in, which I've used for my brand new Victa ultralight, and it works a treat, so we'll give that a go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's yummy. This sucker's ready to fire up. We'll give it a test run and I'm sure it's going to run fine. Did I connect that again? Is it connected? Sure it is. Success. Alright, while I'm at it, I might as well do the oil in the Victa Briggs and Stratton. Same principle. The oil in this should be pretty clean because it's only a couple of years old, but we'll do it anyway for the purpose of the exercise. There we go. Spot on ski.